New from Makita, this is the XGT 40 Volt Max half-inch router. Now this router's got some grunt with comparable output to a 2100 watt corded router. That means you can plow with it and remove material without it bogging down, but it's also compact, lightweight, easy to use, so you can use it with your finer work as well. Firstly, where you grab the tool, two nice cushion handles on either side, giving you plenty of balance and control. And without letting go of that control, under your right thumb, you've got a variable speed dial, so you can dial in that brushless motor from 8,000 RPM all the way up to 25,000 RPM. And you're not stretching for any of those controls. Power button's under your right thumb, you've got the trigger with your right trigger finger, and you can lock in that trigger with a trigger lock under your right thumb as well. And you can do all that without letting go of the handles, which gives you loads of control. That means with the left hand, you can control that plunge lock as well. It does have a max plunge of up to 60 millimeters. And with the depth adjustments, you've got both macro and micro adjustments. So you very quickly can dial in exactly the depth you need it to be cutting. And you can customize 3 quick stops as well if you've got to do 3 passes to remove a lot of material, or you're doing multiple different processes in your piece. And it comes with an edge guide that also has some micro adjustment, which I personally thought was very cool. Now the router does come with Makita's AWS, which means you can pair it with and control AWS VACs from Makita. I've paired it with Makita's big M-Class 80 Volt Max cordless VAC today. And between the two of them, you've got a completely cordless routing and cleaning up solution. So you can put a new joint in a benchtop or put it in a rebate out on site where there's no power, no stress. It's a great new addition to the XGT platform. The new cordless router is available now to order at your local Sydney Tools store, or you can head online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs, and you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.